ॐ सहना भवतु सहनं भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि। हे प्रभो आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए। लीजिए हमको शरण में, हम सदाचारी बने, ब्रह्मचिंतक धर्म रक्षक वीर व्रतधारी बने। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। निंदा किसी की हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करे, सत्य बोले झूठ त्यागे मेल आपस में करे। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें, दिव्य जीवन हो हमारा तेरे यश गाया करे। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए, दूर हमसे कीजिए। सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, हे प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, हे प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी आत्मनिवासिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी आत्मनिवासिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवन तारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवन तारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी आत्मनिवासिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी आत्मनिवासिनी माँ, सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, हे प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी आत्मनिवासिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवन तारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवन तारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनि मां परमानन्ददायिनि हृदयविहारिणि आत्मनिवासिनि मां परमानन्ददायिनि हृदयविहारिणि आत्मनिवासिनि मां सत्यस्वरूपिणि मां हे प्रेम स्वरूपिणि मां परमानन्ददायिनि हृदयविहारिणि आत्मनिवासिनि मां जगदम्बा माता की जय, हे सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जय जय रघुवीर
अभी स्वामी जी का फोटो अच्छा था, बहुत दिनों बाद देखा फोटो।
Who want to speak today? Geeta, prepared?
Yes sir.
रवि उसके ऊपर एक स्क्रीन में नहीं उसको।
Hari Om everybody.
Hari Om.
After reading many sutras, I thought which one is suiting for me, so that one I took. I took the Sutra 38, chapter 3rd, section 2.
Okay.
I'll start. Mukhyastu mahat krupena bhagvat krupale shadva. In this sutra, Lord Narada includes that devotion to the path of bhakti can be delivered.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा गीता. We can't hear you properly.
Now can you hear?
Yeah.
In this sutra, Lord Narada includes that the devotion, the path of bhakti, can be delivered only by the way great soul, like our own Swamiji, by watching his videos, reading his books, and many other ways. Or it can be achieved by the slight blessings of our Lord. Before this sutra, we saw that there are many ways to gain the true devotion by our Narada. He included the great pioneers in the path of devotion. But in this sutra, especially for the beginners who want to walk in the path of devotion, is very difficult. So he says that in this materialistic world of activity, who can help us to walk alone in the path of spirituality? Who can help us and guide us? Even if we start our journey to this path of devotion, very easily we can get distracted, like myself also. When I start this path, I get distracted. So in this march of devotion, the beginners will find it very difficult. And in this sutra, he's telling us the great way. He's opening our eyes to the way where our Ishwar Krupa will be there to each individual, and we need to build up our own effort. In previous sutra, Narada had helped us that by singing the Lord's glory, we can achieve the devotion. That is in Sutra 36. In this sutra, Lord's grace is achieved through self-esteem, where he has told, ask and it shall be given to you, seek and you shall find it, knock and it shall be opened to you. Also, Narada ends this sutra by telling that as a Hindu, we seek our Guru's blessing, which is equal to our Lord's blessing. So we are lucky as a Hinduism that we can have our Guru with us. Guru, he is equal to Lord Parmeshwara, and who helps us to show us and guide us the right path, like our own Tushar sir. This is one small one which I read. Thank you, sir.
What is the main point which is what you found here?
The main point is when we walk in the path of devotion, how we get distracted. So, see, what are the correct ways that we can
like how your son is distracting when you're speaking?
Yeah. He's just behind me.
Yeah.
So, right. How to seek blessings? Narada has showed us.
See,
Very small sutra I took.
then it's okay. No problem. But you, what appealed to you most in this?
Applies is, sir, the distraction. During the path of devotion, how we get distracted. So he says the main ways by singing his name.
But where the distraction part is coming, then tell me one thing. Where the distraction part, what does it say actually? Primarily, pure devotion is gained through grace of great souls or through a little of the divine grace.
Yes.
So instead of taking something negative of distraction, take a positive side of it. When he says that the grace of the Guru, masters, and Isha Krupa, the Ishwar Krupa, comes to you, and how do you have to go for it? How do you tell me? How will you go for it?
Sir, by starting his bhajan.
Pardon?
By singing his bhajan, by every day having meditation.
Satsang. That is
doing
satsang.
Satsang. The best.
Your own sadhana, and after that also when you do your sadhana, your bhajan, tapas, what you are saying, after that, even if it is there, your own efforts by actually thinking, what we call that manana, Shravan you have done in the group, manana, you have to reflect on it again and again, and last one is nididhyasana, that whatever you have heard, you have to bring into practice. है ना? बरोबर है ना? We have heard all whatever we have done in the study group up till now. Then you have to reflect on it. What we have done, like you reflect on this sutra number 38. So how do you apply it in your own life? That is the main thing. Sutra is there by itself, already there. Whatever has been explained, that has been understood. And now to bring it into your own life is known as the nididhyasana. So as far as possible, try to bring whatever we have learned into our own practical life. Now you ask me how. I'll not ask you, I'll tell you. How? That there are so many instances, situations, circumstances in life, each and every day, not once in a blue moon, that they try to test us. And like now, when you're speaking your son,
yes, sir.
And if you could have that, you had, of course, that mental equipoise to let that the distraction go away and focus on what was going. Similarly, in the native life, there's so many situations. Someone is sick, someone is not well, someone is angry. There is friction in the house. There are some points which go contrary to our wanting, what we desire. At that time, that is a testing period in which I should be able to reflect on this, whatever we have done, and try to bring it into our own day-to-day life and see that how can I remain aloof from it, equipoise in that. That is most important. It's like a postman bringing a parcel to you, right? A postman is bringing a parcel to you and you refuse to take it. What will happen? It will go to the person who has sent it. Similarly, these parcels which are being given to you of testing periods of anger, then what ego, or else jealousy, which are coming to you day in and day out. I refuse to take them inside. So automatically, what will happen if you don't take them inside? They cannot touch you. The moment you are unaware of this, you remain, what you can. Gafila का मतलब पर gafila साला वो. You remain. You remain.
Unimpacted.
क्या बोलते हैं? Unprepared, whatever it is. And that time it comes and attacks. Therefore, Gurudev has always told that an alert and vigilant mind 24/7 by 365 is always necessary. If your mind is not alert and vigilant at all times, there will be situations which will, take over you. That have to, take care of. And that was very good. Anyone has to ask her anything? Very good, Geeta.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. कोणाला काय विचारायचं का तिला? Anyone has to ask her? Or tell, either of the two. You have to expound on it.
I don't know. They really fast.
Their आवाज is not clear today. Your voice is not, you're not able to hear.
I don't know if everybody understood because I was little fast.
No. We all understood. Who didn't understand? Those who didn't understand, take her phone and call her later. Okay. Abhi kya?
I just wanted to add. I just wanted to add, Geeta, that and sir, that grace of reading and understanding Narad Bhakti Sutra is one part, and revising with all of us, practicing one sutra and sharing experiences and explaining it again is another divine grace. I think this is an added grace for us to be able to revise what we learned through the Narad Bhakti Sutra. I think we are recalling all the learning because of everyone picking up one sutra. So thank you, Geeta, for picking this one.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And still, what happens in the study group? Usually, I'm saying that whatever is discussed is discussed by the Sevak, and those are his thoughts for that moment. But now, when you revise and when you start to speak, those thoughts which are whatever you are telling, those thoughts become yours, and you are reflecting on it. You are doing your homework, you are thinking, and then bringing it out. Otherwise, पोपट पंचे करके कोई फायदा नहीं. ये लिखा है वो लिखा है नहीं. That's why first day I told you that when you are going to speak on it, let it first go through you and then let it come out, so it will have a greater impact. Like someone went to Gurudev, he said, I have written Bhagavad Gita 108 times. He said, you have gone through the Gita, but has Gita gone through you? तसं ते आपल्यामध्ये यायला पाहिजे. Anyone else? Otherwise, we'll take some random thing and discuss. 38 and 19th we discuss. What is 19th Sutra?
Nicely said, Geeta. Very nice.
19th किधर है? 38 का हाफ लिया गया. हाँ देख नारद वही आया. नारदस्तु तदार्पितखिलाचारता तद्विस्मरणे परमा व्याकुलेति. According to Devashi Narad, a total dedication of all actions at the altar of the Lord and excruciating pangs at all moments of forgetfulness of the Lord is supreme Lord divine bhakti. Has anyone taken this? No? We'll discuss that. Okay, ka? Surprise test.
Which number you
19th. Half of 38. If she had taken 37, it would have been a problem. She took 38, so half to the uska. So in this, he has discussed what real devotion is. Anyone can speak. I've taken a random stotra. उसको बात करने का बात करो. When you surrender yourself totally to the Lord, Kayik, Vachik and Mansik, all three, in body, mind and intellectual level, and that devotion which is there till now, which was something outside, it enters you, and it is like, he says that it's like a sugar which is put in the milk. When you stir it, it becomes one with it. You can't differentiate the sugar and that milk. Similarly, that bhakti which has gone through you, when you act in this world of plurality, right? It should reflect in every action of yours. How will that be? I'll give 2 minutes. I'll say Shant Mosko. You all understood. See, there are 3 words which are important in this. Okay, I'll just tell you. According to Devarishan Aras, the total dedication of all actions. This is one. At the altar of the Lord. Second, excruciating pangs at all moments of forgetfulness. And third one is supreme divine bhakti. माशासारखे आपले तडफड होते का ईश्वराशिवाय? How when the fish is taken out of the water, how it struggles to get into his back to the water and regains life. तसे तडफड होते का आपल्याला ईश्वराशिवाय? तर आपण त्या भक्तीत कुठतरी गेलेले. This is the first point. Therefore, he says excruciating pangs at all moments. And before that, dedicating total dedication of all actions at the feet of the altar. Do we do that? Do we even try for it? Anyway. If you try to dissolve yourself in the divinity or in the God consciousness or with Krishna or with Rama, then what will happen? I told you so many times. Premagali ati sakari ta do mein do na rahe, do na samay. Ek मैं या एक हरि, दो रह ना पाए. Either I will remain or Hari or the Lord will remain. Both cannot remain in the heart at one time. In true bhakti, devotion. So that devotion should be so much well stirred in our own personality that whatever the expressions are coming through you should be the grace and the will of the Lord. ये क्या करते हो? Think. And Ravi have done a marvelous job. गुरुदेव का किधर से नारद भक्ति सूत्र उठाया रे? कहाँ से मिला तेरे को? अरे शायद कैसे क्या तेरे पास कैसे आया? मित्र ने अच्छा ग्रेट पहला महीना इट्स नॉट दैट मच क्लियर. सेकंड से एकदम क्लियर है. ठीक है, अब तो सुना नहीं, बट दैट वाज ग्रेट यार. गुड. बोलो.
They were old cassettes क्या? नहीं.
Cassettes. At that time there were cassettes only ना, many years back. तभी CD की कुछ था नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग वैसे. Anyway, come to our real point. सब ब्लैंक हो गए क्या?
Yeah, basically when you before you start any activity you have to remember God, but practically it may not be possible. So best way is when you go to your work or start any activity in the morning, you pray to God that let His presence be felt in all the activities you do. And this is what we can make a resolution sort of. And if suppose by that resolution you will see that you will always be positive, you will think more of the activity, you will get more involved in the activity you do without having any negative thoughts.
Yes, that's true.
And if by chance some mistake happens, then you can remember, right, today I did not think of him, and that's how this mistake has happened.
Right. ये
But
भी है.
once I dedicate all my actions, or as you mentioned, before I'm going to work, or even before I begin the day, if I submit all my actions, thoughts, deeds, or whatever might come in the mind of that day, I submit unto you. That means I'm not doing anything, you are doing it through me. Once
Absolutely.
that samarpan we have done,
Yeah.
then I guess that is the beginning of the bhakti for the Lord.
Yes.
And then yeah, and then if we do act in a, say, in on that day, after we did that, after we have surrendered, or we have submitted ourselves to the Lord, and then in case in the during the course of the day, if we act in a certain way in where our ego might reflect, then if we are a true bhakta, then we will have that pangs of the pain, like when I
Absolutely.
realized that I did that action in my ego or my anger or whatever the mistake I must have done, then that separateness we'll feel for the Lord. Because in the beginning we had said we are submitting ourselves, but then we act in a sense of ego, then that that is, I guess, that is the way we have to improve ourselves to become a better bhakta for the Lord.
The
Or
easiest way in Niskala, what is it?
yeah.
Try to make the Lord a part and parcel of your life.
Mm,
You have 3 family members, make it 4.
yeah.
Easiest way. Easiest
Yeah.
way. So then what happens that every action you should do, you tell the Lord and do it. Easiest way. Na? If you become a part and parcel of a family, then we don't think as the Lord as something who is dearer to us. We think as we are seeing a movie, as a theater, as some object, similarly the Lord is there. And it is the contrary to that, vice versa. It is absolutely the Lord is only there. We are only the passing jivas. Either in last 50 years, after 50 years, who knows where we'll be? Before 50 years, who knows where we were? This is the temporary period in which we are taken birth, and already the half of our life, 3/4 of our life is done with it. थोड़ा रहे है बाकी उसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Where are we reaching? How are we interacting with others? If that love for the other fellow men is not there, it becomes and this ego, as you said, crops up at any time. अरे मैं नारद मुख से सूत्र किया ऐसे कुछ किया नहीं, not this is not spiritual, is not spiritual, क्या उसका फायदा है? At that time just think of your when you are a child. As a child, what you knew? When you were 3 years old, 4 years old, what you knew? Usne, that time your parents taught you to come up, and you had, and in the first or second standard, you had limited knowledge, isn't it? And now when you're and in that limited knowledge, if I had taught you about PhD, you could have understood nothing. So, but now slowly by Guru's grace, Shastra Krupa, Atma Krupa, and Isha Krupa, you have come to realize a little bit, small iota of the Shastras. Right? Now, if you compare with other people, they are in, say, lower KG, upper KG, first, second. Because of your progress, it doesn't mean that they are bad. They too are progressing. They too are evolving. It will take time. And थोड़ा देर लगेगा तो then to say that उसको कुछ नहीं आता, they are on the field, they are on the path. Each and every jiva or an individual is on the path of evolution. Remember that. You may be on the 3rd step, you may be on the 1st step, you may be on the 100th step, you may be on the 33rd step. But each and every one, jiva is going towards the Lord. Know it for sure. Whatever we are doing, our sadhana, our commitment, our thinking, our surrender is a path closer or a step closer towards the Lord. Always remember that. If there are some, suppose something happens contrary to your expectation, remember that too is a prasad given by the Lord, so that your personality evolves. The family members which the Lord has given us, they are testing what to say, testing papers or testing times or questions given to you so that psychologically you evolve. You see, husband and wife, they are never of the same nature. The husband likes cold, the wife likes hot. The husband likes to go in the room, the wife likes to sit at home. So there are, you see, when the reason is that pairs of opposites attract each other. You have learned in science, isn't it? So if your nature cannot be the same, the other individual's nature cannot be same as yours. And to expect that is foolishness. But to accept the individual as is wisdom. I just accept, if you see, I love my child. I accept as he is, no? We will scold him. But then I have accepted him and I do the work. Because the joy of that love for my child is more important. And when the sense of minus comes, that affinity comes, then that service done to that child, it also becomes a seva. Similarly, when I say that this is my Lord, and the Lord is, as Nishka said, He is working through me and getting things done, then I will not get angry at anything. He must have given me this situation for the evolution of this jiva or this individual. काहीतरी असेल ना माझ्या याच्याकडनं की त्याला माझ्या अजून सुधारणा करायला पाहिजे. ओके नाही, am I going somewhere astray or you are following it? समजतं ना काय म्हणतात ते? की म्हणून प्रत्येक प्रसंग आयुष्यातला जो येतो तो आपल्याला आपल्या चांगल्यासाठीच येतोय. फॉर अस टू इम्प्रूव्ह इन अ पॅशन in certain way. And therefore I said, if Lord is made a part and parcel of my family, of my house, then whatever happens, whatever I bring, I keep it in front of him. उसको नैवेद्य दाखवायचा, त्याला कृष्णाला आंघोळ घालायची, त्याला त्याची पूजा करायची. म्हणून आता that concept has come in the Western countries. In America, they keep a stone in the drawing room, and whenever they go out, they speak with the stone. I'm not feeling well today. I'm not in a good mood. What to do? I'm going out. Every time they will, because that is a nuclear family, disrupted family. कुछ है नहीं है. 60 to 85% of the mothers are single mothers. So then they don't have anyone to share emotion. We are so lucky to have a joint family with father, mother, brother, sister, everyone together. And we have got those concepts. It's not like it was ridiculous when I heard somebody saying, what has happened and we are celebrating. What we are celebrating, it's of course not in our this thing, but I heard that the mother celebrating the girl going on a date with a boy. My daughter is going to go for a date with a boy today. So we are celebrating today. Then she said, this is ridiculous. That our those sanskar hai, apne sanskar hai, are bringing up, and if you see the children spoiled, the children are not to be blamed. The parents have to be blamed first of all, because it is you who could not take proper care of that person or child. ओके नाही, आपल्यात कुठल्याही चुके म्हणून आपल्याकडनं हे होतं, लक्षात आलं की आपण ऑटोमॅटिकली आपलं सगळं आपलं चक्र फिरतं. आपलं काय होतं की आपण दुसरं हे करतो, काय ब्लेम करतो, नाव ठेवतो. त्याच्यामुळे माझं असं झालं, ह्याच्यामुळे असं, कोणामुळे काही होत नाही. आपले विचार जे आहेत ना, ते विचार सगळ्यात महत्वाचे. रिमेंबर दिस इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट विच आय एम टेलिंग. थिंक ऑफ युअर थॉट्स नाही, ऑब्झर्व युअर थॉट्स, बी अलर्ट ऑफ युअर थॉट्स. Let the negative thoughts never enter your mind. Don't suppress yourself. If you suppress the thoughts which are there, then it indirectly, directly affects your health. When Chaitanya we were discussing, see, even cancer-like things which come in the life, they don't appear they don't come automatically. First, they appear in the mind, and when there is the suppression, then you know what? What's that sense of guilt coming in, and helplessness coming in. That time, those things which thoughts, negativity comes in, and those thoughts affect your body, and when that is not expressed, that things comes out as cancer. I told last time on so many groups before, I told you, if you read those, see those videos of Anita Moorjani. She had cancer and how she came out of it. And in that she says that cancer, she got cancer because right from her childhood, she was subdued and punished, and very strict parents were there. So she could not express herself. And therefore, to cut it short, and to tell you what, that as far as possible, every day reflect on whatever we are doing, and let those thoughts which are unwanted, let them be sublimated or substituted. गरज नहीं है. You tell your mind this is not necessary for me. I don't want them. And if there is something to be kept inside, you with your analytical thinking take it out. If you can, you express and speak out. If you cannot, try to think and what you say, substitute or substitute पेक्षा sublimate it. आता काही काही नवऱ्याविरुद्ध बोलता येत नाही किंवा बायकोविरुद्ध बोलता येत नाही किंवा मुलांविरुद्ध बोलता येत, त्यावेळेला काय करणार? आपल्या आत ठेवत बसतं सगळं ना. इफ यू कीप इट एव्हरीथिंग इनसाइड, इट ब्लास्ट्स आउट समडे. Therefore, always remember that you should, at any given point in your life, you should be clear, and nothing should be inside us which protects us from being closer to the Lord. These negative things which we are unnecessarily, gathering in your mind. Okay, गरज नाही ना. What is the necessity? Tell me. As a child, what you brought? काय नव्हतं आणलं? Tell me a child. I was telling somebody, a child who is lying on the bed, 3 months, 4 years, 4 months old. त्याला घाण वाजतो का? नाही. त्याला कशाची घाण वाटते? He does feel something dirty? No. Does he feel angry on somebody? No. Does he crave for anything? No. त्याला काही माहितीच नाही. After the thing which is the sanskar which has been done later, slowly by his parents, by his neighborhood, by his association with the society, then he develops his personality by looking at them. Okay, and that, so this whatever we are today is a product of whatever we have thought yesterday. So whatever we are going to think today will be the product of our future. Product na म्हणणार, the destiny of our future. Therefore, whatever we are thinking today, let it be on the positive path. आणि काय काय जे काय सी ईच आपल्याकडे आपण जन्म घेतला याचा अर्थ आहे की 50% निगेटिव्ह, 50% पॉझिटिव्ह होतं. निगेटिव्ह असणारच नाही असं नाही. देयर विल बी समथिंग, बट रिमेंबर आय गॉट दिस, हे माझं ड्रॉबॅक आहे, माझ्या स्वभावातला दोष आहे की मला माहिती आहे की मला जरा असं माझ्याकडे एबीसीडी आहे. पण लेट इट बी, बट आय विल ॲज फार एज पॉसिबल आय विल नॉट लेट इट कम इन माय devotion or in my life. ठीक है ना? If you know it, if you know that you are getting angry, you will not get angry. But when you impulsively get angry, at that time the control on you doesn't remain. Therefore, Gurudev used to say, I keep anger in the pocket. Is to use that anger. तसं आपल्या प्रत्येक गुण आपल्या खिशात ठेवायला पाहिजे. काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, मत्सर जरी असला तरी आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे की माझ्यात मी आता आज वापरतोय. मला ह्याच्याबद्दल जरा आज मला काय वाटलं, मी कोणाचं तरी काय आईस्क्रीम खाताना मला पण आईस्क्रीम खाण्यासारखं वाटलं. अरे तो आईस्क्रीम खातो का? मला पण वाटलं आपण पण आईस्क्रीम खावं. माझ्यातलं लोभ आहे, मला काय वाटलं, दॅट डिझायर हॅज कम इन टू मी बिकॉज आय हॅव सीन इट. हे तरी समजलं ना मला, तरी आपण त्याच्यात त्या मोहात पडणार नाही. अदरवाइज unknowingly we fall a prey to so many things in life. Think, and then slowly if you go on reflecting on whatever is happening inside, churning goes on, and slowly those unwanted things automatically drop out. काय करायला लागत नाही है ना. if you catch hold of the higher, the lower automatically drops. आता तुम्हाला गोट्या पाहिजेत का? लहानपणी डबावर गोट्या ठेवायच्या. अरे माझ्या गोट्या तर माझं खजिना आहे. I'll not let it, I'll not share it to anybody. My what is that? Treasure. Kites. As your age advances, those things fall off. And when you are a teen, you are in, infatuation was there for the other sex. That also, as you grow up, that also falls off. Similarly, these attachments which are there today, as you grow, they will also drop out. Remember. So what is going to drop out? Why stick to them? Simple logic. जे राहणारच नाही माझ्यावर, त्याच्यावर कशाला मी त्याच्याबरोबर जास्त उपचार करू. Think 10 years hence, what will be your step? What will be your state? Where you will be? And as your age advances, there are so many problems. There are so many things happening around. The situation is different. Your body physical condition is different. Everything is changing, and that person who adapts to change automatically grows. And therefore the Lord has said, try to love my uncertainty. Kadi kai urta? When something all of a sudden happens in life, think for sure that it is the Lord's grace. Because of it, this thing has happened. Ramakan, you're saying something?
Actually, when you're talking, if you cannot share your thoughts with your son, wife, whatever, in childhood, I had a habit. Now I've stopped it. Before marriage and even afterwards, whenever I had some thoughts and maybe on some colleague or some friend, like something negative, or maybe that day he did not cooperate or he spoke bad about me, something of that, then I had a habit that at night I used to sit and write down all in the diary. So next day my head was clear. Then I could face again things in a positive way, not keeping any grudge in my head.
Gurudev also told somebody the same thing, what you did. That you are feeling very angry on the committee member, suppose. I am very angry. You write everything nasty about him. Whatever you feel nasty, write it on the paper. Let it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. And once you write down, put it under the pillow and sleep. Next day morning, tear it off and throw it in the dustbin.
I was not used to tearing it. Sometimes some of them are there, some I have torn and thrown. Sometimes it gives me some old memories again. But it used to make me fresh the next day.
Yeah, that's what. That is the purpose of whatever method you apply. Purpose is to keep your mind pure and clear. आज कोणाबद्दल कशाला द्वेष पाहिजे, राग पाहिजे, मत्सर पाहिजे, रोग पाहिजे, काय तर कशासाठी पाहिजे? Why we want it unnecessarily? That if I am certain of one thing, that each and everything in this life, from the moving of the leaves to the happening in my home, is because of Lord's grace. How is that person who's speaking is not the Lord's grace is not on him? असं होऊ शकत नाही. म्हणे ते सी इवन दॅट्स वाय दे गिव्हन एक्झाम्पल. हनुमानाने रावणाची लंका जाळली. You know that the story, no? When Hanuman was there in Lanka, they put oil on his tail and he burned the entire Lanka. Right? Isn't it? But that dream was given to Lankini many years beforehand. And that was destined. So everything is therefore that if Hanuman started crying, अरे माझ्या शेपटीला त्याने आग का लावली, काय करायचं? Then nothing would have happened. तर तिथे पण रामाची कृपा होती की त्या रामाच्या कृपेच्या शक्तीनेच ती संपूर्ण लंका जाईल. कुठे आपण ज्या वेळेला in every moment of our life, if we start thinking that this is because the Lord wills so, त्या ईश्वराची इच्छेमुळे हे होतंय, मग आपल्याला we don't have any point to argue, पण नाही point to complain. I accept, ठीक आहे ना. Acceptance, and how then slowly what happens? My ego, माझा अहंकारच राहत नाही, तिथे फक्त ईश्वरच राहतो. आणि माझ्याकडनं जे होतं ते ईश्वराची कृपा म्हणून सगळं चाललेलं असतं. ईश्वराच्या इच्छेने सगळं चाललेलं असतं. मग आपल्याला कारण नसताना तक्रार करायला वाव राहत नाही. Every day morning, today was so hot, very hot, 37 degrees, and because of this concrete jungle, so much they have done. काय करायचं? See, everything is happening. You are a helpless person. You cannot do anything. If you can do, go on and do it. If you cannot do, accept it. But don't remain in the middle.
If you accept it, you conserve energy. You can use it constructively.
Absolutely. And cool. There are so many things which are happening which are not in their hand. आहे का काही? नाही. महागाई किती वाढली? आता तू काय करणार? महागाई वाढली तर पेट्रोल आमच्या वेळेला 5 रुपये लिटर होतं, आता किती झाले बघा. But then that's what I told you before this. I mean, when we were discussing now, you learn to accept the changes in your life wherever you are, in whatever stage you are. Then you will not have to regret. Every old man you see, you start. आमच्या वेळेला असं नव्हतं. काय पुणं होतं, सगळीकडे झाडी होती, थंड होतं, गार होतं, सगळं होतं. आता काय झालंय, लोक नुसते हे भरली आहेत. म्हणजे आता काय करणार तू? तुला वाटतं तर घे का सामान बांधून जात खेडेगावातून राहा तिकडे 2 खोल्या बांधून. ते पण नाही. then सारखं सी if your mind has that knack of complaining or not accepting things as they are, you land in, no one else will land into trouble, you will land into trouble. Remember, सारखं तक्रार करायचं, हे कसं कशाला, हे असं कशाला, हे असं पाहिजे, हे तसं पाहिजे. लेट द थिंग्स हॅपन. नो म्हणून काय बाबा, that was on what I spoke on. Thanks of moment of forgetfulness of the Lord's the supreme love divine bhakti. भागेश्वरी अजून कोण आहे? राजू येतो. अजून कोण आहे? Anyone else to add anything? Maybe it is in the sutra or anything else, whatever you want to tell. हाँ बोल रहे.
As Nishkant you told ना कि मतलब when we start our day ना we say कि okay whatever I am doing this is Lord's work and we start doing it. But what happens is initially we have that thought. When we enter the day and we start working, after some time we forget that. We again come back to our
normal.
So, but in the sutra, what you have mentioned about that, whether you have that, when you forget the Lord, whether you feel that. So that is very important.
No, therefore, what our saints have told us, continuously Namasmरण is very important. It will have a great effect. Make it a habit in your life to see how much it changes.
छोटे छोटे गोल ठेवायला सांगितले होते. एकदा आपण बोललो होतो त्यावेळेला की नामस्मरण सतत आपल्याला जमतंय नाही जमत, त्याच्यापेक्षा मग छोटे छोटे गोल ठेवायचे की गुढीपाडव्यापासून गुढीपाडव्यापर्यंत मी इतका जप करेन किंवा काय असं. म्हणजे त्यांनी मग ते कंटिन्युटी राहायला जरा मदत होते असं मला वाटलं. किंवा एकदा स्वामीजींनी सांगितलं होतं 108 वेळा हनुमान चालीसा म्हणायची त्या एकाच दिवसात. ते झालं. किंवा श्रावणामध्ये स्वामीजी सांगतात की रुद्र म्हणायचं.
मागच्या वर्षी करणार आपलं राहिलंय ऑनलाईन करायचं.
हा ते राहिलंय.
कधी बघायला पाहिजे आता कधी. बघूया तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं सहकार्य काय देवाची इच्छा असेल यावर्षी करू.
एप्रिल मध्ये ना?
एप्रिल मध्ये रामनवमीच्या नंतर 17-9 साधारण 22-23 तारखेला बघू आपण बघू ना.
मग ते नामस्मरण वाढवायला असे म्हणजे हे छोटे छोटे गोल ठेवले ना तर मग ते मदत होते.
आणि मी का ऑब्झर्व केलं म्हणजे
पण मदत होते.
होते
स्टडी ग्रुप आहे ना ह्याच्यामुळे पण मदत होते. सतत आठवण राहते खरं सांगायचं तर या गोष्टीची की करता करविता तो आहे आणि आपण निमित्त मात्र आहोत. म्हणजे ठीक आहे आपल्या स्वभावानुसार आपल्या ह्याच्यानुसार आपण दिवसभर वागतो आणि मग नंतर त्याची काळजी असतील ती फळं वगैरे मिळतात आपल्याला आणि मग राग येतो वगैरे द्वेष हे होतो. पण तरी सुद्धा प्रमाण कमी व्हायला मदत होते. हळूहळू कवीना त्या गोष्टी कमी व्हायला मदत होते आणि यातली गोडी वाढायला मदत होते.
आणि मग गुरुदांनी काय सांगितले की रोज झोपायच्या आधी 2 माळा कुठल्या तुमच्या इष्टदेवतेची हे करा थोडा. कुठले 2 माळा रोज. मेक इट अ पॉइंट बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप 108 टाइम्स 1 माळा असते. दुसऱ्या वेळेला 2 माळा होते. त्याने काय होतं की दिवसभराचा जो क्षीण आहे ना तो ऑटोमॅटिकली निघून जातो. ही गोष्ट एक होती. झोप शांत राहते. दुसरी गोष्ट होते. तिसरी सर्वात महत्वाची गोष्ट काय माहिती का, थर्ड व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग, त्यात दिवसभर मला माहिती आहे पण ते फोकस आहे मला झोपायचे माझा उपासना करायची माळ ओढायचे बरं का, देवाचं नाव घ्यायचं बरं का, झोपायचे मला हे करायचं का, पोथी वाचायचं बरं का. मग ते अननोइंगली तुमचं ईश्वराचे स्मरण होते ना, मला देवाचं व्हायचं म्हणजे काय होतंय की आपलं ऑटोमॅटिकली जे काय आपली संसाराची प्रायोरिटी ती मागे ढकलली जाते आणि ईश्वराला प्राधान्य दिलं जातं. स्मॉल टिप्स बट देन केल्याने होत आहे, आधी केल्याचे पाहिजे. मग काय म्हणायला खूप सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत, खूप आहेत मार्ग. गणपतीचा आम्ही अथर्वशीच्या 108 वेळा म्हणा, ठीक आहे ना, आपला जो मार्ग आहे तो आपला, आणि आपण जे करतो ती साधना, आणि आपण जे आपल्याला जे वाटतं योग्य तो आपला मार्ग, आणि त्याच्यातच आपला उद्धार. कारण सगळीकडे ह्याने हे केलं म्हणून आपण ते करायची आवश्यकता नाही. आता मला कोणतरी, मी आता त्या युट्यूबवर कारण नसताना आपण नको त्या गोष्टी येतात. ते एकाने सांगितलं, जो शिवलिंगाच्या वर काय करतं, काय सांगितलं ते पण विसरलो, पण असं काय ते विचित्र होतं. हा, म्हणजे जो तुळशीचं पान शिवलिंगावर वाहतो चुकून किंवा मुद्दामून, त्याला नरकाची प्राप्त होते. देवाला का तुम्हाला दुसरा धंदा नाही का तुम्हाला नरकात घालायच्या शिवाय? काय तरी आपलं विचित्र. किंवा जो शिवलिंग म्हणजे तुळशीच्या तिथे ठेवतो, तुळशीच्या खाली ठेवतो, त्याच्या माणसाच्या आयुष्यात अधोगती होते. तुळस ही फक्त विष्णूची आहे, शिवाचे काय संबंध? शिवाला फक्त बिल्वपत्र प्रिय आहे. एक बिल्वपत्र शिवाच्या शिवलिंगावर टाकलं तर हजारो जन्माचा उद्धार होतो. ठीक आहे ना, मग हे चांगलं म्हणून तर दुसरं वाईट असं म्हणायची काय आवश्यकता नाही ना. सॉरी,
you continue, I'll tell you later.
नाही, आपलं काय, व्हॉट हॅपन्स इज दिस स्मॉल थिंग्स विच आर अननेसेसरी थर्स्ट ऑवर माइंड. की आता तुम्हाला आता सुतक लागले, आता 10 दिवस काय करायचंच नाही, मरा तिथे. आता मध्ये महिला तर काय करणार तुम्ही? देवाचं नावच घ्यायचं नाही असं थोडंच आहे. काही फरक पडत नाही. आपलं मनच आपल्याला खात असतं, हे असं केलं की तसं केलं, आणि दॅट माइंड इज समटाइम्स त्याला थोडं खायला घाला आणि गप बसव. त्यामुळे मी कुत्र्याला हाड टाकले की जर गप बसतो, तेव्हा म्हणायचे. Once in a while you throw something at the dog, it keeps quiet. Similarly for the mind also, once in a while throw something at it so it will keep quiet, but not always. मग ते लाडावून ठेवले की मग प्रॉब्लेम येतो. काहीतरी द्या त्याला, काय पाहिजे गप बसतो, तसंच आहे. हा, बोल रमाकांत.
I think I might have I'm repeating the same. I might have told earlier. Basically, I had gone to some temple near my house. So there I found printed Hanuman Chalisa in a page. So I brought that because it was kept for everybody. I took it and brought it home. Once I brought it home, I read at the back. If you read it, you should read it, make some copies, distribute. If you don't do it, if you don't read it, some negative things will happen. I don't know why such things were printed on that.
That is different. Now WhatsApp also they come. हा फोटो पुढे पाठवला तर तुमचा आजचा दिवस बरबाद होईल. असं नाही, काहीतरी असं समथिंग निगेटिव्ह थॉट. हा फोटो तिरुपतीवाल्याचा फोटो आलाय, तो 12 लोकांना पुढे पाठवा. लोक घाबरून पाठवतात रे. वी आर बसी काय आहे, देवाबद्दल ईश्वराबद्दल प्रेम असण्यापेक्षा आपल्याला भीती वाटते जास्त. आणि जर त्या भीती वाटत असेल तर मग ते ईश्वर नाही. ईश्वर इतकं प्रेमाने, पण ते म्हणाले की किती करोडो आईंचं जे प्रेम आहे ते एका ईश्वरमध्ये एकवटलंय. एक आईचं नाही, करोडो आईंचं. किती प्रेम असेल ईश्वराचं. तो काय, त्याला काय दुसरं काम, तर तो बिचारा रात्रंदिवस प्रयत्न करतो की या जीवाचा उद्धार कसा व्हावा याचा प्रयत्न. त्याला काय करायचं तुम्हाला नरकात आणि स्वर्गात घालून, आणि त्याला तुमच्या आयुष्यात ढवळढवळ करायची आवश्यकता काय? आणि असा जर ईश्वर असेल तर देन गुरु सेड आय डोंट बिलीव्ह इन सच गॉड. If the Lord says like that Hanuman is going to destroy my life, then I don't want such Lord and I don't believe in it. If you say that Lord is all compassionate, love, incarnation of love, incarnation of joy, bliss, happiness, then how these things will come? Not come at all. हे माणसाने तयार केलेलं दुष्टचक्र आहे, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. ह्युमन माइंड प्लेस इन सम absurd way. म्हणून काय नाही तर मनाचे लोक एनिथिंग एल्स एव्हन हॅज टू ऍड. अच्छा, मनाचे लोक पुढच्या वेळेला कोण घेणार? आपलं सॉरी, नारभक्ती स्तोत्र कोण राहिले आता मला माहित नाही. हु इज रिमेनिंग? दिव्या म्हणाले आय विल स्पीक बट शी डिडंट टर्न अप टुडे. आय डोंट नो. अर्चना राहिले ना, आणि कोण राहिले?
मी राहिले.
काय करायचं? हा, so we'll put on the group that if Divya is speaking or Archana is going to speak next time, let us see. चैतालीच राहायचं. कोण राहिले नाही ना? नाही. वागेश्वरीला परत बोलायचंय का? सगळं झालं नाही? तुम्हाला होते नंतर मी परत समराईज करणार आहे म्हणून.
हो, पण नाही, सगळं त्यातच आलेलं आहे, स्वरूपामध्येच सगळं आलेलं आहे माझं.
हे चांगले उत्तर आहे. एनिवे, होऊ दे बघू आपण काय करायचं. आता आज कुठे तारीख आहे? 23 मार्च. मे बी रामनवमी पर्यंत हे सगळं आपलं झालं तर रामनवमीला आपण उपदेश सर करू सुरू करू. रामनवमी त्या आठवड्यात. अरे ना, आमच्याकडे सगळ्यांकडे उपदेश सराचं पुस्तक आहे का? तोपर्यंत मागवून घ्या. रवि लिंक भेज दे तो ऑनलाइन में मंगा सकते हो. हाँ तो स्वामी जास्त महाग नाही आहे, 100 रुपये वगैरे असेल काय ते डिलिव्हरीचे काय असेल. यू कॅन इझिली टेक इट. ओके. आता कोणाचं आहे मन श्लोक? मनाचे श्लोक उसका
सर मेरा 141 और रवि का 142.
चलिए आज किसको उसके बाद इसके बारे में बात करने का है क्या? आज किसी का नहीं था करके वी जस्ट हैड ओपन डिस्कशन. राइट. हाँ ये देखो इतना तेरा ये 141 किसका है? 142 किसका है? 141 तेरा है क्या?
हाँ.
आई थिंक 41 रवि का लिखा था मैंने, पता नहीं. 42 विजू. I can, y'all can switch. That's no problem.
ठीक आहे ना. नाही तर शेवटी शेट्टीकडे झाले फरक पडत नाही.
आता मी राय आहे राय.
आता असं ते म्हणजे मूळ संस्कार जात नाही. आता तू काय त्याला काय नाही. मूळ कुठलं आहे मूळ?
Raju, you wanted to add something?
Like just a thought, sir. वो since we are doing आनंद भक्ति सूत्र, भगवद गीता चैप्टर 12 जैसा हम लोग go through कर सकते हैं कभी भी.
हाँ कभी कर सकते हैं, ये करेंगे. मैं what I thought that instead of doing it, अच्छा let us see. You think good? Think we can do that. I was thinking of doing Gita after this ना, after उपदेश सर. तो सब आ जाएगा सर, ऐसा हो जाएगा. पार्डन होली गीता गुरुदेव का ऐसा चल रहा था. गीता इज बराबर है, भगवत गीता बोल रहा है. और या फिर ज्ञानेश्वरी, दोनों से देखेंगे. और तो उपदेश साथ हो ज्ञानेश्वरी लेंगे तो अपना 5-6 साल तो आराम से जाएगी. अपना स्टडी भी हो जाएगा. और उसमें ना व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ ज्ञानेश्वरी इज दैट ही हैज एक्सपाउंडेड सो ब्यूटीफुल. You can at that time take support of our Gurudev's Holy Gita also. So both will get combined. You see. कारण मग त्याच्यात इतकं डिटेल मध्ये दिलंय की then once you go to Gita, you don't have to go to Jnaneshwari or Gita. You don't have to go for any other scriptures. It will be full-fledged in itself, complete in itself. Okay, see. Chalo,
Okay, sir.
9th chapter also is there, Ravi. 9th and 12th both are our devotion. Raja Guya, Raja.
हाँ सर.
मणिदास.
मणिदास सायास त्याचे करावे, जणी जाणता पाय त्याचे धरावे. गुरु अंजने वीणते का आकळेना, जुने ठेवणे मीपणे आकळेना. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. So this is a very concurrent shloka that has come after Gita's sutra. The divine grace of the gurus is explained and expounded here. Samarth Ramdas ji says that Mane Dasa, I mean he's calling himself the servant of Rama. Mane Dasa Sayasa Tyatse Karave. Sayas is service. We should serve the saints, the sages. Okay, so he's saying we should serve we should always be at the service of the guru. Zani zanata paya tyatse dharave. Don't look at the age, don't look at the grade. Just fall on the feet and surrender yourself to your guru. Guru anjane veena te akalena. So guru is such that your eyes are blinded okay, they are blinded by ignorance. We will never know what is the essence of life, why we got the birth, and what is our goal of life. So with the guru, we get our blindedness off, and that wisdom is very difficult to even measure. So Guru Anjane Veena Te Akalena. We can't measure, we can't find, we can't grasp, we can't understand it without the Guru. He's like that kajal which helps us to see brighter. And Zune Thevane Mi Pane Akalena. This is a old known truth. Zune Thevane means it's an old known truth, an important pearl of wisdom. Mi Pane Akalena, the egocentric method doesn't work when we are surrendering ourselves to the Guru to get to know the essence of life. After reading this particular shloka, I realized I only thought of one person, Dara Shiko. I don't know if you all have seen the Upanishad Ganga episode of Dara Shiko. Though he was born in the Mughal side, the grace was such that he was able to get the grace of a guru. I'm not able to recall the guru he got teachings from. He spent some time of his life understanding the essence of life. What is happiness? What is the goal of life? What are we trying to pursue? How does one become in unison with the Lord? He learned all this from the guru, and the day he got a message from his soldiers that his father was killed by his brother to capture the throne, and though he was going to be the king, he's also been called by his brother to be killed and to be jailed. He knew he's going, but the episode shows how free, how liberated he was feeling when he was going. And the guru asked him that Dara Shiko, ab hum nahi milenge, ab hamara milna kab hoga? And the last line he says is just the height of the episode. He says, hum aur aap alag kahan hai? The teaching is so imbibed that he just gave him back, saying that I don't feel different from you, I'm already with you. So that episode just came to my mind when I read this, that like sir says that guru doesn't make you like him. He doesn't just transfer knowledge, he just ensures he becomes like you and one with the Lord. So that is about this particular sutra.
Maybe one correction with addition. What it says, last one which is there ना, आज तक थिंग जुने ठेवणे मी पणे ते कळे ना. जुने ठेवणे म्हणजे माझ्या दृष्टीने काय माहिती का, जुने ठेवणे what we had got is जुनं है ना. What we were when we were before we were born, bliss, happiness, or we have come from the Lord, and that we have forgotten. And जुने ठेवणे काय ते ठेवणे आपला अहंकार केल्याशिवाय मिळत नाही. आपलं स्वतःचं स्वरूप आहे हे आपलं खरं स्वरूप जुनं आहे. इट इज what is that, काय म्हणतात,
purest form of the purest form of
ancient ला काय म्हणतात,
ancient. Okay.
पुरातन आहे, आधीपासून आलेलं आहे, वर्षानुवर्ष जन्मजन्मांचं आहे, अनादी काळापासून. परफेक्ट, अनादी काळापासून. ते आपलं खरं स्वरूप आहे. ते आपण आता जीवाच्या दृष्टीने आपण जन्म घेतलाय, वासनाच्या संगे आपण आलोय जन्म इथपर्यंत आलो, तर ते जर आपला अहंकार गेल्यावर आपलं जे जुनं ठेवणे ते आपल्याला मिळू शकते असं. व्हेरी गुड.
स्वस्वरूपाचं ज्ञान असं त्यांनी जुनं ठेवण्याचं हे केलेलं आहे. स्वस्वरूपाचं ज्ञान.
बरोबर.
142. कळेना 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 ढळेना ढळेना ढळे संशयो हि ढळेना गळेना गळेना अहंता गळेना बळे आकळेना मिळेना मिळेना. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. सर कळेना तो मुझे भी शुरू में समझ में नहीं आया था. तो कळेना is basically we will not understand, and ढळेना it will not drop so easily because we have so many doubts and inhibitions.
म्हटलंय कळेना
and गळेना अहंता गळेना. This मीपणा, which you were saying, the same thing, an extension of that. that this ego, until it drops, and bale akalena milena milena. Bale akale is balzabrine. We trying to understand it, but it will still not enter our minds, or we will not really understand it until we have a Sadguru and we are following his directions. So this is the word meaning. So in short, this is telling us that you know, the Sadguru has shown us the highway, and or God has shown us the highway to reach him, or the absolute bliss. But we humans have this tendencies of finding shortcuts. So we try to see a way which will take us more faster, or more quicker. But the highway is something which is planned, keeping all in mind that this should be the only way to reach. Of course, these shortcuts will again go and maybe merge with the highway. But in our hurry to reach faster, or to understand faster, we try to take a different way, but those will not help. Kalena is this, that we will try to understand with our own inhibitions, and every time we think we are understanding, the more we are not understanding it. And dhalena is, it will not easily drop. We think that maybe with our understanding it will, we are going more closer, but it is not dropping unless we have this doubt, or this one sense of whether this is right or not, whether this is true or not. We sometimes may even doubt our Sadguru, but those doubts will never take us there. And unless we drop this ego, same as what we discussed in a study group, what Narada was trying to say in the 19th verse, that um, we need to surrender, we need to dedicate all our actions. Unless this mipana is not going, and we are not following what the Sadguru is saying, all what we do is still not, we are not going to understand all that. This is what I've understood, sir.
Okay, you see, to apply Bhajagovindam's standard to this. Why you said 3 times? Karena, 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 Karena. 3 times why? Why? One is for Karena is for मन बुद्धी आणि अहंकार, किंवा शरीर मन आणि बुद्धी. बुद्धीला मन, शरीराला पण पटत नाही, मनाला पण पटत नाही, आणि बुद्धीला पण पटत नाही, ते कळतच नाही. आणि ढळेना संशय ढळेना, ऑलवेज डाउटिंग. आपला संशय जातच नाही. आपलं आता किती छान वाटते बघा, की आता ग्रुप झाला ना, सगळीकडे ईश्वर आहे, ईश्वराची कृपेशिवाय काही होत नाही. आणि थोड्या वेळाने ईश्वर कृपा काय बोलणार, कसली कृपा नाही काय नाही, कसं आमचं आयुष्य आम्हाला माहिती काय करतो, कसं एका मिनिटात मन कधी तुम्हाला दगा देईल ना, कधी सांगता येत नाही. नेव्हर ट्रस्ट युअर माइंड, नेव्हर ट्रस्ट. वेअर युअर माइंड विल प्ले गेम्स, यू डोंट नो. Therefore, always be alert that, see, remember those thoughts which are just passing, like a passing traffic in our life. On the road of our spirituality, thoughts are just like vehicles which are passing. Don't entertain them, or you'll meet with an accident. Yetat Saudi, they are coming, let them go. If there are good thoughts or good things which have to be taken, surely take them. But unnecessarily don't get entangled in unnecessary. Therefore, Dhayana, Samshay Dhayana. गळेना गळेना अहंता गळेना, 3 times again. आपल्या शरीराची अहंता, मनाची अहंता आणि बुद्धीची अहंता जाते का? मी म्हणजे शरीर, मी म्हणजे बुद्धी, मी म्हणजे मन, जातच नाही. जाते का? नाही जात. आणि बळ आकळेना मिळेना मिळेना, आणि त्यांना काय मिळतात, आपल्याला कोणीतरी आधार पाहिजे असतो, त्या कुठेतरी आपल्याला शक्ती पाहिजे, शक्तीच मिळत नाही. म्हणून म्हणाले की त्याचा अर्थ काय, आधीच्याच लोकांना त्याच्यात इज लिंक्ड टू द प्रायर श्लोक, की गुरुकृपा असेल तर बाकी हे सगळे ऑटोमॅटिकली होऊ शकेल. गुरुकृपा महत्वाची आहे रे, बाकी काय नाही. सगळे शास्त्रकृपा, गुरुकृपा सगळ्यात महत्वाची. म्हणून गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णू, गुरुदेव महेश्वर. सद्गुरूची कृपा असेल ना, सगळं सहज होतं, देव पण सहज मिळतो. पण सद्गुरूची कृपा कशी मिळेल? आम्ही तर गुरुनानं बघितलं नाही, आम्हाला काय मिळणार? असं कारण असताना काय ते फालतू विचार करू नका. डोंट लिमिट गुरुदेव टू फिजिकल फॉर्म. He says, now there is distance between you and me now, but once I leave this body, I will be residing always in your heart. It will be so high in the heart. He says, you will be very close that time. Now at least it's a road to somebody. I think Anjali, what is her name? Anjali, okay? Anjali Singh. We are far now, but the ones, if in your seat of meditation, you will find me inside. गुरुंची कृपा आपण आपलं एक लक्षात ठेवा की कुठली उपासना सुरू करताना दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. पहिलं गणेशाचं श्रवण करायचं, नंतर सद्गुरूचं करायचं आणि नंतर तुमची उपासना सुरू करायची. कुठली उपासना? गणेशामध्येच सर्वच या जगाचा उत्पत्ती झाली म्हणून गणेशाचं. आणि मला एका मित्राने खूप छान सांगितलं, म्हणजे मला गणपती बाप्पा का आवडतं, खूप सगळ्यात आवडतं माझं गणेश आहे. पण डोळे म्हटलं की गणेशाचं ऑटोमॅटिकली रूप येतं, काय करायला लागत नाही. नंतर कृष्ण शिव असेल तर विचार करतो कृष्ण कसं असेल, निरामुक्त असं बासरी हातात, मग रामाचं कसं असेल, मग हा शिवाचा कसा असेल, तो त्याच्या कशावर बसलाय, त्या मानस त्याच्यावर कैलासावर बसलेला, विचार करायला लागतो. पण गणपती वाटतं की डोळे बंद केले एका विदिन फ्रॅक्चर ऑफ सेकंड गणपती येतो. मग मला गणपती खूप आवडतो. म्हणजे एकेकाचं वेन यू फॉल इन टू लव्ह विथ दॅट युअर इष्ट देवता, then it automatically happens. Okay, 143 will take now. वागेश्वरी 143 आणि 144 राजू. कोण आज राहिले का? निष्काला घेतलं माझ्या. 142 143 निष्काला नाही, सॉरी कोणाला सांगितलं मी? हा वागेश्वरी. आणि 144 राजू. चालेल ना? कोण राहिले तर सांगा. रमाकांत चालेल पुढच्या. आणि बोलणारे कोणी पुढच्या वेळेला? चैताली आणि जे आले नाही ते त्यांच्या बी कोणतं. अर्चना किंवा दिव्या कॉल मी अप. शी सेड आय एम वेल, आय ट्राय टू जॉईन. प्लेज घ्या कोणते. चैताली प्लेज आठवते का? नाही झाले ना तुझं मागच्याला? कोणी प्लेज घेतलं नाही इतक्या थोड्या दिवस मागच्या 2-4 आठवडे. वॉज नॉट टेकन द प्लेज. और हू वॉन्ट्स टू टेक द प्लेज? टेक द प्लेज. कोण म्हणते? लगेच रवीने ब्लॅकआउट करून टाकलं. नको चालेल, घे चैताली. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.
We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly, the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom. May thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.